Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Myers, family practitioner with Holland Hospital Family Medicine. Today we're going to talk about low testosterone or low T. Some of you may have heard about this. It obviously pertains mainly to men and not women. So this conversation is basically directed at that male population. Testosterone is a hormone that males have that kind of makes us men. It comes from our testicles, and it is involved in us having increased libido. We actually helps us maintain muscle mass, helps us maintain hair. It actually has effects on mood and body weight also. So some of the symptoms that a man may have with low testosterone would be loss of muscle mass, increased fat through the middle of the abdomen, depression, mood problems, fatigue, loss of energy can be issues. Also sexual dysfunction with erectile dysfunction and loss of libido can all be problems that men would experience with low testosterone. So these days you can actually replace testosterone, and so as a patient or somebody who's looking at treatment for those kinds of symptoms, what we do as a provider is I would draw some blood work on you and check in your labs. Based on the lab values that you have of those testosterone numbers, we would talk about doing testosterone replacement. There are multiple ways you can replace testosterone. It can be by injection or topical gels. And we try to titrate the amount that you need to make those lab values both look normal but also make you feel better. So with treatment with testosterone, the goal isn't just to treat to a particular lab value. It's also that you're going to feel better. You're going to have more libido, better muscle mass, more sexual energy, that kind of thing, less erectile dysfunction. All those things will be how we're going to gauge whether you have the right amount of testosterone in you or not. I'm Dr. Jason Myers. If you have any further questions about the treatment of low testosterone or low T, please give our practice a call and we can make an appointment for a consultation.